Hey guys, my name is Nadia if you are new here, and today I'm going to be giving you all an IKEA haul. I went like last week I believe, and school starts in about 3 weeks, so I'm not living exactly in a dorm room this year. I'm living in an apartment. I thought I'd get some kitchenware and also bathroom stuff because there's going to be a kitchen in the apartment and then also like 2 bathrooms shared by like 6 other people, so that'll be interesting. But here we go. The first thing that I have here is these kind of like, I don't know, pots that you can like bake or just heat things up with. This is what they look like from the box. I don't know if you guys want to see the name of it. I don't know how to pronounce that at all. I thought it'd be nice to bake with, maybe, possibly. Like, you know that hack where you can get Oreos and just put milk and like bake it and it's a cake. I love chocolate, so I thought I'd get something like that. Here they are out of the box. It comes with 2 in 1 set, so here it is. I thought it looked kind of like funky, and that kind of like drew my eye to it. There was pink, green, gray. I think that's it. I just kind of wanted this tan color. I forgot what the actual name of this one was, but I got the tan looking one, not the gray looking one, but the tan. Yeah, I think it's a good size. Like, you can heat up soup in here, you can make soup, I don't know, but it's microwave safe, it's oven safe, it's everything safe. And I just thought it was very convenient for just college, I guess, especially because I love making things in like tiny portions. The next thing I got here is a plunger. Not a plunger, but like a thing to clean the toilets with. Hopefully I won't have to use this a lot, but I'm sure I will. I'm kind of scared to do that, but you can never go wrong with a little toilet cleaner. Here it is, just like white with like the black specks. Next thing I got, I wasn't sure. I want to like, I don't think I got a meal plan this year, so I need to bring like my own stuff because I'm not going to be buying things every single day, if you know what I mean. So the game plan for this year is probably I'm going to get oatmeal. Hopefully that doesn't break me out, because I've heard that oatmeal can break people out. So yeah, I'll probably just get oatmeal, like a big thing, and then get like the almond milk that's from Costco that literally lasts like a couple months, and that's probably what I'll be living off of for the next year, I guess. Because you can't get yogurt, because I mean the Fage yogurt lasts about like what, 2 months, 3 months, and that's nice and all, but honestly oatmeal can definitely last longer. So I got these cups, these like pre-meal whatever things, can like put like the overnight oats or whatever in here, and then the toppings like granola, berries, whatever, and it kind of just like screws off, like you twist it, and then like it comes out of the little socket stuff, and then like you can twist off this top and then put whatever you want in here. So I got 4 of these. I thought that'd be nice. Maybe I could get like some other things, like shop at the little store or whatever. These will definitely come in handy. The next thing I got, because I love fall so much, and IKEA had this fall section, obviously I had to pick up this candle. I don't even think we can use candles in the apartments and dorms and things, but I just love the way fall smells. This candle smells so delicious. Let me see. Oh, this is like pumpkin spice in a little candle. I love it so much. Oh, this is like what Starbucks smells like during fall. It's amazing, and I had to pick it up. I'm probably not even going to like light it, because like I said, we can't use candles, I'm pretty sure, but I just love the smell of it, so I'll probably just keep it open for like short amount of time, maybe like at night or something, or in the morning. But I just thought that was amazing, and I had to pick it up. because again, I think fall is my favorite season. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite season is, because mine's fall, but sometimes it's summer. Like right now I'm enjoying summer so far. Last two things that I got were plant related. Let me go get the other plant related thing. So here it is, but here it is. Okay, so these are like hanging pots. What you do here is they come with these little, like this side bar thing, and you can like detach. I think this comes out. I think I'm just gonna take it out right now. Comes with this little pole thing, hook, and you put it on like that, and you can either just leave it like this and like put it on another pole like to hang it off of, or you can double stack them and just have it like this. Obviously it'll be hanging, but I thought that was really cool. Or you can just like hang them off individually from wherever you're going to pick, but I just love it. Let me show you all what plants I'm thinking about taking and putting in there. So I'm very conflicted with the plants that I want to take this year, just because I know I'll have my own room and I'll be able to put as many plants as I want in my room. So I don't know if I want to bring the Cebu Blue, because it's not doing too hot here, and I feel like in New Mexico it'll probably do amazing. Or I could take this string of hearts, or I could take both, because there's another plant that I'm contemplating. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm definitely taking this string of hearts because I love it. But there's also another one. I might just repot it and put it in a different, like a smaller pot, because it's like, it's in a really big pot right now. Let me know if you think I should bring my Cebu Blue, because yeah, it's not really doing much here. I haven't really seen any new leaves come in. So this is another string of hearts that I actually just watered, but like there's literally just one stem, so it doesn't look like anything, but I think you can see right there in the back. And then I was also thinking of taking this. I have a bigger pot of this little Hoya compacta. I'm not sure what I want to do. Not doing too well. I literally got this plant in 2020 and it has not grown at all. I've had it for 5 years, like literally 5 years. I think these are the two contenders that I'm facing. Comment down below if you think Exotica or Cebu Blue. Exotica or Cebu Blue. Let me know. I know a lot of people don't know about plants, so sorry if that was like not interesting to you all, but I love plants, so that's the pickle that I'm facing right now. But the last thing that I have here are these huge pots. I got 2 of them. Last year I got my money tree from IKEA actually, and it's grown so much. I have my money tree in this pot right now. Here it is. It was literally half the size when I got it, and I brought it to New Mexico and it just totally took off. And yeah, I don't know who wouldn't like plants like this. This is literally the best thing ever. I have this plant, and finally this plant that I will be taking to New Mexico just for my dorm, which I know it may seem like a lot of plants to you all, but honestly it's not a lot for me, and it's just like a hobby, you know. Whenever, you know, I'm not doing anything, I'll like either mist it, water my plants, whatever, you know. It's just like another chore that I can do if I'm bored and not doing anything. And this plant is gorgeous too, so there's a new leaf right there. That is everything that I got from IKEA. It's kind of a lot, but not really. I mean, it's mostly just my plant stuff and just things that I needed, or I think that I thought that I needed. I don't know what I just said, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm literally filming this the same day that I'm going to post this, so I hope you all enjoy, and thank you to everybody new here. I am so excited to like continue doing my little videos. If you like the Brandy Melville hauls, there's definitely going to be some more. I just went to the Irvine Brandy yesterday, so I had to film my San Diego videos, and then also that one, and then also my road hauls. I don't know what I'm gonna do. And then school's coming up. I don't know, guys. But I hope you all have a beautiful day. Bye, guys.